very important product. It is one of the most important product kept in the kitchen, and it definitely is a very important ingredient. Add a little bit of turmeric powder into the water, just stir it and add a little bit of honey, and it definitely cures your flu, cold, and sometimes influenza also. Then aloe vera is very important. It clears the digestive system, it cleans the digestive system, and also prevents bloating and all. So these five products, that is your lemon, mint, honey, cucumber, then ginger, turmeric, and aloe vera are the most important ingredients. Please keep it in the kitchen and utilize according to the need. Thank you very much. Please like, share, and subscribe this video if you have liked this video. Thank you very much.